crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Optimism, currently pumping to the upside. Optimism is having a huge rally. Was there 2023 on a very bright note. Optimism is pumping on all time frames, on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, also on a yearly time frame. This is the Optimism season. We've seen Optimism rally up above $2. Optimism is currently trading around $2.34. In this video, we'll take a look at the Optimism US dollar price chart and how high can Optimism continue pumping in this rally we're having in the altcoin markets. Bears are in disbelief. They keep getting liquidated to the upside. Right now, Optimism has gone above the price region where we're trading in August 2022. How high will Optimism go in this relief rally? We'll also be taking a look at Optimism performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Optimism market cap, which is currently above $500 million. Guys, Optimism is pumping to the moon, but we should pay attention because it can easily start dumping to Goblin Town. We'll be looking at key levels where Optimism might get to by the end of this rally. But first, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All coins have started 2023 on a very bright note, pumping to the upside. Even though we're deep in the crypto bear market, we've seen all coins rally up in 2023. All coins have been showing us that maybe, just maybe, we're due for some rally. We're started 2023 on a very bright note, and Optimism is one of those altcoins that have been leading the charge. Optimism is up more than 149% in the last 1 month. Optimism was launched deep in the crypto bear market. We saw Optimism get launched in June 2022, and after it was launched, it got down to Goblin Town, getting to as low as $0.4. But if you bought Optimism at that level, hoping to hold it till the end of the next bull run, guys, right now, your investment would have been up 484%. All coins are very, very volatile, both to the upside, both to the downside. But when they start pumping to the moon, they pump aggressively. And Optimism is one of those coins I call virgin coins. It has not been through any crypto bull run. It has not been through any period of time where Bitcoin was pumping very, very well to the upside. The last time Bitcoin pumped towards $25,000, we saw Optimism trading around the $2.2 region. Right now, Bitcoin is just rallying towards $23,000, and Optimism has even broken that $2.2 region. Optimism is currently trading around $2.39. If you take a look at what Optimism has done in the last 1 year, it went from as high as $4.57 to as low as $0.4, and right now Optimism is trading around the $2.3 region. So we still have some upsides to go if we're going to see Optimism trade around that $4.5 region before the end of this relief rally. You won't pay attention to what Optimism is doing. There's always a possibility that we'll see Optimism drop back to the $2 region just to test that level. We saw Optimism get stuck below that $2 region since August 2022, and it took us many months to complete that accumulation process. It took Optimism around 168 days to complete that accumulation. So I'll not be shocked to see Optimism come back to test that $2 region. Maybe just come back to test the $1.4 region. But as we continue pumping to higher prices in this relief rally, let's not be shocked to see Optimism working its way to that $4 region. That's very, very possible for Optimism. Right now, Optimism just needs to pump an additional 92% for us to get there. A lot of bears are getting liquidated in the market. A lot of people are shorting the market, expecting us to continue dumping to Goblin Town because a lot of indicators are telling us that all coins are currently overbought to the upside. But all coins keep pumping to the upside, including Optimism. If you take a look at the altcoin market, we're seeing a lot of altcoins rally up very, very high. And Optimism currently has a market cap of $562 million with a fully diluted market cap of over $10 billion. Very, very interesting to see. Optimism has a circulating supply of 234 million coins out of a maximum supply of 4.2 billion tokens. Currently ranked 75 on CoinMarketCap with over 58,000 people having Optimism on their watch list. If you want to get some optimism for yourself in the bear market, as we're seeing all coins rally to higher prices, if you believe Optimism is going to pump to new all-time highs and you want to join in the action, you can get some Optimism on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Bitfinex, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. As Optimism continues rallying up to higher prices, let's not be shocked to see Optimism get to that $4.5 region. And guys, this is where the real fun will start for Optimism. If Optimism can crack above $4.5, we have no resistance. It's just clear skies. We are pumping to the moon. But if Optimism is going to get to that $4.5 region, some smart investors that bought some Optimism around the $0.4 region, I think they will be selling out for some profits. That would have meant Optimism would have gone up more than 1,000%. That's a 10x return on investment in the bear market. And if you're a good investor, that will be a good time to take some off the table. Millionaires are going to be made deep in the crypto bear market. The people that are going to be profitable most by the end of the next bull run are making some huge move right now in this bear market. They are accumulating their favorite altcoins, getting ready for the next bull run. And through this whole period of dump, I was advocating for you to dollar cost average of Optimism if you wanted to get some for yourself. And right now, all this accumulation will be paying off as we are pumping to the upside. If you take a look at Optimism performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, Optimism has gone above the levels where we got to in August 2022. From the bottom for Optimism against Ethereum, we have seen Optimism outperform Bitcoin by more than 337%. And against Ethereum, Optimism from the bottom has outperformed Ethereum by more than 276%. Even though I believe a dump will come very, very soon, we can't keep pumping to the moon forever. At some point in time, we're going to see a pullback. Where will that pullback come? Nobody knows. But let's enjoy the pump to the upside. Optimism is gearing up to break into new all-time highs. If that happens in this bear market, you want to take some off the table. You don't want to get caught in the hype, shouting, we're going to the moon, we're going to be pumping forever. Guys, over and over again, we've seen in the cryptocurrency market where altcoins will be pumping to the moon, and over again, we've seen those altcoins eventually dump to Goblin Town. In the case of Optimism, we saw it have a little pump here. In 47 days, Optimism went up 400%. So this pump that we're having to the upside, we have seen Optimism pumping for more than 24 days. I'll not be shocked to see us blast above that $4.5 region before the end of this rally. If you take a look at Optimism market cap, in the previous video, we talked about how the line in the sand for Optimism market cap will be around that $500 million region. Right now, Optimism market cap is way above $500 million. It's around the $554 million region. Will Optimism's market cap get to $1 billion before the end of this relief rally? As Optimism's market cap has broken above $500 million, the next line in the sand for Optimism's market cap will first be around the $736 million region. And if we blast above that level, I'll not be shocked to see Optimism's market cap finally getting to that $1 billion region. Maybe even getting to as high as $1.1 billion. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Optimism heading to in this relief rally? Do you think it's possible for us to blast above the $4.5 region before the end of this relief rally? If you want to buy some Optimism for yourself in the bear market, Optimism is a layer 2 blockchain on top of Ethereum. Optimism benefits from the security of the Ethereum mainnet and helps scale the Ethereum ecosystem by using optimistic rollup. That means transactions are trustlessly recorded on Optimism but ultimately secured on Ethereum. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying some Optimism in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, always remember, Mr. Legend Crypto got your back. See you guys in my next video.